Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, today, brand new style from Raquel Welch. We're going to unbox it together, portrait mode, and the color is RL17 23SS, which is Iced Latte Macchiato. I am wearing that same color. This is my Raquel Welch Untold story. Same color, Iced Latte Macchiato. This wig was provided to me for review from wigstudio1.com. So thank you, Andrea, for that. And I can't wait to unbox it and let's look at it together. Let's get started. Okay, let's have a look at portrait mode. It's like this. Okay, get it out and get the hairnet off of it. Okay. Oops. All right, first let's look at the cap. Okay, this has a beautiful mono top and a lace front. Extended lace front. It goes down into the ear tabs. Closed ear tabs with stays. It has an extended felt nape. Velcro adjusters. That's so pretty. I just think they do the nicest job with these mono features on their wigs. All right, I love Raquel Welch wigs. I really do. Okay, it's a bob. Can tell that. Looks like it's going to have some long sweeping bangs. Okay, let's talk about this beautiful color, Iced Latte Macchiato. It is very, very similar, in my opinion, to Shaded Biscuit. Very, very similar. This one being, I think, a bit more ashy in my opinion, but they are super similar colors. Has a lot of cool blonde here. Look at the rooting, how gorgeous this rooting is on this wig. I just think it is so pretty. All of these beautiful shades of blonde, ash blonde running through here. Really, really pretty. Okay, let's try this on. Okay, let's try this one on. Okay, fits me a little large. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference. I feel like this fits me a bit large. Wow, this is pretty. Oh, I love bobs, so this is right up my alley. Now, to me, this feels like a very polished style, sleek. It has that mono top, so there's no permatease there. No permatease. This is a very low density style. I want you to see this lace front and how pretty this is around the front. These are heat-friendly fibers. Like I said, this fits me a little large here. Coverage, good coverage. There's my bow hair, both sides, and the ear tab fits me right above my ear. Really pretty. This color, Iced Latte Macchiato, just want to make sure you get a good look at that. I love these different shades of blonde. It's just a beautiful, beautiful wearable color. Okay, the specs on this one. The bang is coming in at 8 inches. The crown is 11 1/2. It has a 4-inch nape. I really like the shape of this. I think it is just right on point. Beautiful. Sides are 8 1/2. The back is 9 1/2 and it weighs 3.5 ounces. Now I would probably spray this off my face just a little bit. I'm just using some Hair You Wear Control hairspray. I love it. It works perfect for this, just to kind of get it up and off my face. That's just my way. You could steam it. You don't have to. This would work. A bang could be easily cut into this if you would like to, but this sweeping bang is just so, so pretty. All right, I'm just going to put it on with a black headband. Can easily tuck this behind your ears. Have a different headband. Let's try this one. Easy to wear. You can also, of course, pull this off your face if you would like and wear it that way. I love just to throw some hair accessories in my purse. If I want to take a wig off my face during the day, I can do that. Just different ways to wear this. This would be pretty with some styling product in it to separate the fibers. This is going to be a really versatile, beautiful, beautiful style. Here's the inside of the cap. Beautiful, large. Look how large this mono feature is. Goes all the way, so pretty. Lace front, extended lace front down into these closed ear tabs. Extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters, a lot of stretch here. This is just a beautiful, beautiful style. And another look at this color. Thank you so much for joining me today and having a look at this beautiful new style from Raquel Welch. Please follow me here, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Have completely different wig content over there. Again, thanks so much for joining me, and don't forget to see this wig at wigstudio1.com. Have a great day. See you next time.